Jamie, this is Clara. If you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and click the bell to turn on notifications. Today, we won't be making anything, but we'll be reviewing things with a blindfold on. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, put your hands down. How many fingers am I holding?
8.
Okay, you can't see, can you?
What in the world is happening out there? I cannot see.
I can't see either.
Okay. Okay, Clara, put your hands down. You don't touch it, okay? Hang on. Go. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Open your eye. Open your eye. Open your hands. Open your hands. Open your hands.
What is this?
Hang
Wait,
on.
what
Hang on.
is
Hang on.
What
Go.
is
You
this?
cannot smell. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, this is actually really good.
How was it, Ka?
Oh wait, no. The
That's
aftertaste is gross.
That's right.
This actually tastes like.
Then look at my hand.
What in the world is?
This actually tastes
What is
really,
this called?
This actually tastes really good. Well, I'm just gonna wait and what else comes.
This is actually mini wafer bites from Philippines.
So this
Matcha
is
flavor.
so this is actually mini wafer bites.
You can open your blindfold.
Ah! Ow! It's blurry. What?
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
This is really good.
This is really,
This is
really
actually
good.
pretty good.
Yeah, this is actually really good.
I'll rate this like a 7.5 out of 10. Go.
Are you ready for the next one?
Oh yeah, I am, baby.
Hang on.
What? This is obviously something
1,
to do with chips.
2,
I
3.
can actually
Go.
see.
Go.
Oh, that's actually
Clara.
good.
Where is mine?
That's yours. You're not supposed to open your blindfold.
That's good.
Seaweed.
Now that tastes good.
Yeah.
This is actually crispy seaweed snacks
Wait,
from
what?
Thailand.
Wait, what? Is this Thailand?
Told you seaweed.
Oh, wait, mine. I actually.
Anna have one. I want
Next one.
This is actually pretty good.
I'm trying.
I'm ready.
I'm not.
I rate this about, let's just say 8 out of 10. This is pretty good.
Close your eyes.
It's pretty good.
I'm not finished.
Clara, don't let. Are you guys ready for the next one?
Yep. Stop touching my mask.
And you might touch your plate.
What is this?
Because chips.
Oh, I'm so good.
There's chips, Jim. You can open your blind mask now.
That is good. I read that 8.5.
This is actually pizza flavored chips from Japan.
Hey, no wonder it tastes like pizza, you know?
Yeah. I really don't want to eat too much chips.
No wonder Japan's so popular.
I really don't want to eat too much chips.
No wonder Japan is so popular.
What's
Can we
in
do
the
the next one? I said 8.5. This is really good.
Yep.
You guys ready for the next one?
Oh, definitely, boy.
Hands off the plate.
I am.
Okay, I hear something.
Go.
Ew, what is this? What is this?
The whole thing in your mouth.
That's disgusting. What is this?
Bite it.
Ew. What?
This is actually coin licorice from the Netherlands.
Why do... This is gross.
Disgusting.
I'm gonna go put this in the bin, you know? This is gross. Ow, my leg. This is a 4.5 out of 10.
Me too.
This is bad.
Yeah, this bad.
I'm sorry, Netherlands, but I have to say that I don't like this.
Me too.
Are you guys ready for the next
Yep.
one?
Oh yeah.
Hands off the plate, alright?
Yep.
Okay, let's.
Put it in your mouth straight away.
That was so spicy.
I know.
You're so mean.
You're so mean, Dad.
This is actually wasabi flavored paste.
You are mean.
From
Obviously Japan.
Always Japan.
Wasabi is
It
Japan.
didn't say. It didn't say where it's from. It's actually the snacks from China.
Now, I'm ready for the next one now.
What's the rate?
0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
I hate wasabi.
Are you guys ready for the next one?
Oh, yep.
Right.
What is this?
Go!
Wait, what?
Cookies. It's cookie
What is
waffle. Waffle cookies.
What is this?
Waffle
Is it caramel
cookie.
flavor? This is obviously caramel flavored.
Yeah. Because waffle cookies.
This is actually syrup wafers from the Netherlands.
Cookies.
What do you guys think?
Sure.
How about we rate it like 8? No, I rate this as
Okay.
6.5.
Okay, I don't want
I
it
really
anymore.
like it. No,
Nope.
no, thank you. Come on, I'm
The next one will be drink.
Ooh.
I'm gonna put small cups in front of you.
Okay.
So be careful not to knock it over.
Yep.
Okay?
What?
There you go.
Is this? Oh,
Yeah,
Go.
ready?
I'm ready.
Go. Clara.
What is this?
What do you think?
No,
Honey.
Drink it first.
no, I don't like this.
Huh?
No, I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
like
It
it.
tastes so
Five
good.
Just
This
5.
is actually peach iced tea decaf.
It tastes so good.
It's from Taiwan.
I don't like this.
It tastes so
Is this the
good.
last one?
That's the last one.
Oh man, I wanted more.
This
But
tastes
this was
so
fun.
good.
This was really fun with you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. But bye. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go over to the